I don't have contacts on right now, so I don't even know if the camera's in focus right now. But that's okay, because as soon as I put my glasses on that I'm going to show you guys, we're going to be fine. Everything's going to be cool. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. Today's video is all about my glasses, where I purchased them from, and I'm going to be sharing a couple of different frames that I have that you guys have been asking me about, sharing the frame numbers, the frame color, and all that good stuff so that you too can go ahead and purchase your online glasses. Now, if you're anything like me, you were probably very skeptical about purchasing glasses online. Let me tell you, no worries at all, because Vermillion.com has never failed me. Most frequently, I have been using Vermillion.com, but I have used other websites such as iBuyDirect and Warby Parker, but Warby Parker is more on the expensive side. I use Vermillion all the time because their glasses are cheap. Well, they're affordable. They take most, if not all, prescriptions, unless something's like really wrong with your eyes and, you know, you're legally blind.
I cannot see, I'm legally blind. That's my story, I'm sticking to it.
The first thing that I'm going to be doing is sharing some different frames that I have, along with the frame number and the frame color. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the ordering process, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching if you'd like to know more about my frames. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take you guys through the ordering process on Vermillion.com. So you go ahead and select the lens that you'd like, and what I love is that you can always upload a picture so that you can get an idea of what the frames would look like on your face. I typically don't go 100% with what the picture shows, because obviously once you get them, it'll look either better or worse. I've never had any issues, but it does give me a very general idea of what the frames would look like. Once I feel comfortable with the lens that I've chosen, I go ahead and start editing the lens options. Now you have the option of getting non-prescription frames as well, but for me, I always get prescription because I can't see. So I get the distance lens, and I typically go with all the free options, but you can go ahead and choose whichever you'd like. I get no color, and I get the standard lens, which just means that they'll be a little bit thicker, but I never have an issue with that. And I always get the anti-reflective coating on my glasses. As you can see here, my price is $28.94. With shipping, it's about $5 to $6 extra, which is not bad at all. I also wanted to show you guys the packaging. I think they recently upgraded with their little pouches because this is so cute. Before it used to be just a standard gray pouch, but they also give you a holder for your glasses. They give you a microfiber little towel to clean your lens whenever you need to. And what I love is that they also give you extra screws and the mini screwdriver just in case your glasses become loose or you need to add in new pieces to your glasses. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.